Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and style. Then let's scroll and find wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the top we've got also the option choose from album, so you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from those pre-installed ones, and let me choose maybe, I don't know, maybe this one. So just tap on the wallpaper, it will appear on the full screen, or actually this one. And then simply tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both, and I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here you can check the preview again, so tap on apply in the right upper corner if you're ready. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.